Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoyed watching part 1 of the Bali vlog. Here's part 2. Here you've got the famous Bali swing where we signed our lives away upon entering. There are a few different packages that you can get. We took the one where you have access to all the swing and you also get your pictures taken. We also made a pit stop to Wangiri Hidden Hills to look at the beautiful view, which was my favorite view in Bali. It overlooked Lake Buyan and Lake Tambilingan. You see a little bit of the river and just the mountains behind it. It's very beautiful. On the drive down to Ulun Danu Temple, we passed a few monkeys just hanging out, and then we stopped at Handara Gate as well. After Handara Gate, we went to Ulun Danu Baratan Temple to just relax, walk around, take some beautiful pictures. The temple is on the shore of the lake, so when you head down to it, you will see the lake and the mountains behind it. There is a prayer room for Muslims in the restaurant, which was quite nice to see because you are visiting a Hindu temple, but Muslims are still catered to, so that was quite nice to see. The thing I've noticed about Bali is you can sort of stop anywhere and take absolutely beautiful pictures. Before we head down to Virgin Beach, our driver stopped here to show us Nusa Penida Island from far away. This beach was quite secluded. There wasn't a lot of people out and about. There were a few dogs that were just roaming the beach. It may have been the time or what day we went, but yeah, it wasn't that populated. You will find solidified volcanic lava, which was quite cool to see. Bali is well known for its beautiful waterfalls. This is Tegan Nugan Waterfall and it's 15 meters high. There are 24 hidden waterfalls in Bali. We then went to Kanto Lumpo Waterfall. This was the one I wanted to visit the most. However, there were a lot of people that were trying to go for a swim, so my suggestion would be to either go really early or later in the afternoon. And we are off again to the next waterfall. Mind you, there is quite a lot of walking required, so make sure that you're wearing comfortable shoes. At this waterfall, they had all these motivational boards up, like this one. It says on every step, you are providing health for your body. There was also these little waterfalls that you could see on your way down. Even though I was looking forward to visiting Kanto Lumpo Waterfall, once I got to this waterfall, I was honestly blown away. It was just so beautiful. And there wasn't a lot of people out and about either, which was good because Kanto Lumpo was so packed out. Whereas this one, there was maybe 4 or 5 people and us, so it wasn't too crowded. Driving around in Bali, you will see a lot of rice fields that are in different stages. You've got the vegetative stage, you've got mid-season and you've got late season. Our guide, Ketu, he was honestly just phenomenal. He was so sweet and very, very informative. He would take his time and explain everything in proper detail. He would give us examples. On the way to our next destination, Ketu stopped and jumped out the car, ran across the road to the rice fields to pick a rice plant to show it to us. So what he was doing here was he was explaining how each grain of rice grows in a rice plant and how each stalk will produce one seed head. So yeah, he was very informative. He literally broke it all down for us and he explained how long it takes, all the hard work that all these rice field workers put in. After visiting the rice fields, we went to Alas Haroon coffee plantation. They had all these different flavors of teas and coffees. You can try them all for free, and then at the end, if there's any that you like, you can purchase them in the store. To end our day, we went to the Sumatran Elephant Safari Park. You can also purchase a basket of fruit that you can feed the elephants with. There were 3 baby elephants. As soon as you fed one, the other one would sort of just come over and be like, excuse me, and push the other one out of the way. There are no genuine elephant sanctuaries in Bali. They use these cruel methods to train these elephants on how to behave around people. We did choose not to ride them. They had these sticks which were horrendous to see, so yeah, we did not stay long. Before our next excursion, we grabbed some food. For one of our last days, we booked a sea walker trip. I really wanted to swim with manta rays. They've got these excursions on, but unfortunately, due to the weather, I was not able to, so they suggested we do a sea walker excursion. With a sea walker, you get this massive helmet that weighs like a ton on top of your head, and then you get descended into the ocean. You have to keep your head straight. If you look down, the water will start rushing into your helmet. I had to keep telling myself, do not look down, and then you feel something go past your toes and you're thinking to yourself, what was that? But you can look down because you do not want to die, so you have to keep looking straight. But then I'm thinking to myself, what, it's the shark that went just past my toes. So it's like, do you want to either drown or do you want to get eaten by a shark? But nonetheless, other than my dilemmas of drowning or getting eaten by a shark, I enjoyed myself. After the sea walker, we went to a traditional barong dance. It's sort of like a storytelling dance between the good and the evil. There are 3 different genres. There's the sacred one, semi-sacred, and then there's the one that's for enjoyment. It was really nice to see their culture being presented through music, and they were wearing all these beautiful costumes. There was a good atmosphere and the cast were engaging with the audience. What was going on here was one of the villagers was attacked by the monkey, and then to revive him they got this injection ready for him, and they also tried to give him a paracetamol, some ibuprofen I think, and then he became alive, and they started misbehaving, started squeezing some titties. And that's the end of my second video. If you've got any questions about Bali, like things to do, what to see, what to avoid, you can leave your comments and questions down below. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. And yeah, that's it from me. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.